YouTube is on easy mode. If you guys haven't noticed, all you got to do right now is press record, talk about something you can talk about on an everyday basis, and then press stop. All you got to do is document what you're doing already and or make videos, and you are going to get compensated by YouTube. And what I mean by compensated, I mean financial freedom to the max. You do what you want to do when you want to do it. I'm going to talk about how you guys can do that. Make videos every single day, right? And this is going to be our fastest way to get monetized on YouTube. Make videos every single day. Make them 20 minutes long. I know that sounds crazy. If you go 10 to 20 minutes, that'd be great, okay? But make it about YouTube. Make it about helping people. Make it about making money. If you want to talk about travel and you travel almost every other week or every other day, then that's fine. But be consistent about it. When I say YouTube is on easy mode, I mean it. We're able to document what we do already, record what we do already on a day-to-day basis. If you can get a big enough community, your brand, which is your community, is going to get huge. You guys got to post, okay? Don't do no editing. I'm telling you, this is also the laziest way to make money online, okay? So I don't care if you're in China right now. I don't care if you're in Africa right now. If you're in Mexico, Canada, United States. If you're new to YouTube, if you're a boy, if you're a girl, if you're young, if you're old, the best way for you to make money online is to create content. Why? Because it's a huge snowball effect. What's going to happen is everything is going to get connected to this big snowball, and the snowball is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And what I mean by that is you're going to not only get better making videos, right? You're going to document what you do in the past. That way you can look back on it in the future. And not only are you going to get compensated by YouTube, you're going to get compensated very well by YouTube. Okay? The other brands are going to reach out. And then you're going to have a community. And then you're going to have your brand. Because the brand comes with the community. And I want everybody watching this video right now to understand that you have a brand, you have a community, you just haven't found them yet. I want to help you guys be financially free. And that's my ultimate goal, okay? So if you have a YouTube channel, you need to utilize your YouTube channel and make videos every day, okay? If you want to step it up, you can make multiple videos, but I'm saying make videos every single day, okay? Get better at it, make evergreen content, be purposeful about the type of content that you make. But no, don't edit. Just make the videos, try to be on point, okay? Think about what you're going to say, then say it. Understand the process, enjoy the process, get better at the process, one day at a time, 1% at a time. This is going to help you, I promise you. Content creation is the best thing that I could possibly tell you right now. There's nothing else that you're going to do better than creating content, okay? But it has to be purposeful, okay? If you want it to go on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Now, if you just want to hop on a trend, you can do that as well. But again, it's a trend, so how long is it going to last? You want to be mindful what you do. Again, hop on YouTube every single day. Hop on your YouTube Studio app every single day like it's your freaking bank account. Make videos. Get better. Watch your numbers. Look at your numbers. Watch how they spike. Watch how they come down. If you could do that, your YouTube is going to blow up. You got to find your lane. You got to find your lane. Find your lane. Some of y'all all in this lane, you're all in that lane, you're on that. Stay in your lane. Find your lane. Take off. Take off. So if you're new to YouTube creating content, I can understand how it can be a little nerve-wracking doing that, right? You're not used to it, right? You got to get out of that, okay? You got to get out of that. Get over that. And how do you get over that? Repetition, repetition, repetition. Get better, get better, get better. Post videos. Now, a lot of people is going to say you should post video maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. Someone even say a month, once a month. I would say post daily. Okay? Daily. Once you start getting a rhythm and you're doing it daily, a lot comes with that. Again, the big snowball effect. And right now, because YouTube is on easy mode, you guys need to take advantage of it. Easy mode for YouTube is, well, we just press record, we press stop, and pretty much be consistent at that, and they start paying you, then you're monetized on YouTube. I want to help everyone to get monetized on YouTube. So if you're someone who's out there who's like, man, how do I get monetized on YouTube? Content creation is your best bet. Okay? What is the laziest way to make money online? Content creation is your best bet. I can't stress that enough, people. You need to find time if you believe you don't have a lot of it. Because this is going to go on forever when you're gone. Okay? So understand that. Move differently. You got to move differently. You know better, now do better. Okay? I want to help everyone watching this video to just grow to the max. Okay? Be the best, financially free. Okay? Eat on YouTube. Right? I want your YouTube channel to just grow. Right? But I want you guys to understand, you got to put that work in. You got to put that work in. Once a month, it ain't going to get the job done. I remember when I thought that, right? It blows my mind. I know better, so now I do better because I understand that I can't just post once a month. Once a week ain't going to be enough either. It needs to be daily. Daily. Trust me, I've watched all kinds of videos. All kinds of videos. And content creation on getting monetized on YouTube fast, on how to do this for beginners. I'm telling you, I looked at all of it, from rich to the poor to the big channel to the small channels. And what I'm telling you right now is better than, it's diamond, it's gold, it's better. It is post daily videos. Look at the numbers. Keep posting. Get better 1% every day. And think about 100 days from the first day you start. Not a year, just 100 days. And that's where that snowball is just going to get enormous. Okay? I want to help everybody watching this video to get monetized fast as possible. That way you can do whatever you want. Make any type of video that you want to do. Okay? Make the content you, whatever you want to go over, you can make that content. Right? Whatever type of hobby you like, whatever type of videos you want to talk about, all that. I want you to get paid for that. Because it's out there for you, me, and everybody. Everybody. Everybody can eat. YouTube is going to be around for a long time. So you might as well put your best version of yourself on YouTube so it could be around for a long time. Document your life somehow, some way, and make really good money while you do it. Because I don't know nothing else that provides that type of duo other than content creation. Okay? Your brand, your community is waiting for you. Just like, Taylor Swift has the Swifties, right? Everybody has their brand. If you don't have a brand, it's because nobody knows about you yet. Help them help you. Okay? Help them help you. Okay? Get out there. Make videos. Make content. Get better at it. Be the best you can be. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.